Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog, but this time I'll be doing a hotel review. The name of the hotel is Hotel Caesars here in Tijuana, Mexico. Before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the hotel room with my own money. Okay, all right. This is your entrance door to your room, your peephole. Check out this door tag by Hotel Caesars Place. It's pretty good quality. So you access the door with a key card here. Now let's move into the closet. This is the closet. You have a shelf, safe. I think pretty much a safe in hotels in Tijuana, Mexico is the norm, because you're thinking you're gonna make some money in the casino, so there you go. I'm just assuming. Ample hangers. Okay. Place where you can sit your stuff. This is where I place my backpack. Hey, this closet have light, carpeted. Okay, it's decent, small. If you have a mid-size, small, and even a large luggage, in my opinion, all three can fit, and you have more space on the top, and that's the closet. Right, your entertainment section here, the TV, decent. Samsung, cut me that check. And your desk and a chair and some storage in the desk. You have your ice bucket. I'm assuming this is complimentary. I bought this in XOXO. It's sort of like 7-Eleven in Mexico. All right, let's go to the bathroom. Bathroom is quite bright white, mid-size mirror. Peace. Your sink, nice touch. Shoe polisher and body lotion. And I'm assuming this is a washcloth. Great. This is a body soap, but I had to open it because I had to wash my hands. That's it. You see the fine details? Look at the details on this. Look at that. Bow tie. Toilet paper into bow ties. This gotta be, let me see, hair dryer. Yep. Hair dryer. Okay. See? Now that's what you call marketing. All right. Do we have nope. We don't have a view. And it looks like this thing could fall off. I don't wanna touch it. You have your toilet, ample towels. Look at that. Hotel Caesar. And it's embroidered. Look at that. Nice touch. Very, very small standalone shower, but nevertheless, it's a standalone shower. Okay. Good. I like it. Ventilation. It's good. Clean. No mildew smell. You have your trash bin. And that's the bathroom. Okay. You have your split type AC. It's pretty cool. And what y'all been waiting for, where the magic happens, the bed. I think this is a king size bed. I'm just assuming. So both nightstand on both sides, ample wall plug unit, another wall plug unit over there, and look how they arranged the tissue, you know. Wooden nightstand. I would say beige wall. A pen. Yep. See, if somebody want to take this is a nice marketing tool. Nice touch. Your phone and your channel for your TV. And on the left, you have another mid-size mirror. Now let's check out how comfy. Is on the soft side. I don't think this is a what you call this, a foam mattress. I don't think it's a foam mattress. Yeah, it's like a spring box. Maybe. Pretty good. The sheets are clean. Ample pillows. You have boutique pillows. 2 pillows, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sleeping pillows. Clean, fresh, like it's just been washed. Good. Now let's see if we have any view. Do we have any view? Dear guests, check that your window is locked. It's not. And this is my view. Okay, well, at least it's secure. No one gonna come through there on that barbed wire. And you could see a little bit of downtown Tijuana to my left. But we're just gonna close this. And that's it, it's locked, right? Yeah, it's locked. Alright, we're gonna leave this alone. We're just gonna close it. Oh. Alright. My final thoughts. First and foremost, let me discuss the check-in process. By the way, I booked through Expedia. Came over to the receptionist. She gave me a form. I filled it out with my full name, the city and state of my residence, and I signed. Then she asked me for my ID. Then she asked me how will I pay, whether cash or credit card. I gave her my credit card, and it cost me $66 flat out. There you go. And I'm in room 70. Okay. And then once she charged my card, she gave me a key card, like so. Here I am now. So I would like to think that the check-in process was a breeze. You know, took about 5 minutes, maybe. Okay, now let me discuss the room. The room is quite small. Carpeted floors, no mildew smell. Bathroom, good, okay, because they have a standalone shower. No bathtubs. And this is actually my first time staying in this hotel. One thing to consider, there's no elevator, okay? I'm on the 3rd floor, room 70, and I asked one of the staff, is there any elevator? And she said no elevator. But maybe there is an elevator, maybe just for staff. But I walked 2 flights and I didn't see any elevator. But you know me, I pack light, so I do not care about walking 2 flights of stairs. The bed seems comfortable. This is right in the heart of downtown, by the way. The streets are busy all the time. This is actually one of the first time I ever booked in the center of downtown anywhere, because I like to book far from downtown. Yeah, that's it. Really, I have no gripe. I have no, nothing negative to say about the room. It's clean. That's the main important thing. Clean, no foul smell, ample towels, and we have a TV just in case you get bored, but I have my phone for that, or I just go straight to bed. Yeah, that's it. So I have an appointment tomorrow with my dentist. We're gonna do the mold this time, and we're gonna take it from there. So, and then come right back to New York right after. So yeah, it's good. Now, once again, this is ML from KadeersTV. Hello, world. Bye, world.